Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create LinkedIn post using DeepSeek AI tool. Here you can go and type DeepSeek AI. Then you can open this website. After that you need to create a free account. And you need to allow access to your Google account. Now here you can type create LinkedIn post content. Title is top 3 ways to find clients for digital marketing business, and after that press enter. Within couple of seconds it will create a post. Okay, I think this one is the best. This is the title and this is the post content. So just you can copy it, and after that you can share this post on LinkedIn platform. You can also create more and more posts. Just you can go and here you can type, for example, generate 5 more LinkedIn posts for similar topics. And here you can see it will select the topic. After that it will create entire post. Just you need to copy and paste there. And one thing you have noticed, it is also generating these hashtags. So this is very great tool that is useful for the content generation, and you can use it for different other purpose.